I don't know why, but I forgot to talk for like the first 2 minutes, so I decided to do a voiceover. Get 2 bay leaves and 1 cinnamon stick, around 6 to 7 black peppercorns, and 4 cloves. Then get some onions, just 2 medium ones. I actually got 1 medium one and 2 smaller ones. Doesn't really matter, just peel these and cut them into half moons, just like this. Yeah. And get a pan, put some oil in that pan. Yes, just like that. Then realize that you don't have all the spices, so you get back to your cabinet and get the black cardamom, one black cardamom, and 3 green cardamoms, and you toast those spices in the oil. Then you add the onions, yeah, just like that. Exactly. Yep. Okay. Now you wash your tomatoes and dice, whatever. Cut them into smaller pieces, just like this. Doesn't really matter, man. That doesn't really matter. Yeah, just give it another mix. So here I think I started talking again. So bye. I'm adding around 3 tablespoons of yogurt. So for the spices, I'm just gonna improvise. Let's say around 1 teaspoon Kashmiri lal mirch, 1 teaspoon chili powder, around half a teaspoon turmeric, teaspoon of salt. Oh, let's not forget this. A teaspoon of coriander powder and a little bit of garam masala. I forgot to add this, but this is ginger garlic paste, around a tablespoon, something a little more. So I'm just gonna let this cook for around 5 minutes and then I will add the tomatoes. While this is cooking, let's cut the paneer into cubes. I'm gonna add the tomatoes now. Up the flame and let's add some water to this. Also, I'm gonna add some cashew nuts. Around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so around 15. Oh, let's just add these as well. Doesn't really matter. Now you just have to let this cook for around, let's say, 25 minutes. I've just noticed that this paneer is way too big, so I'm gonna cut it in smaller cubes. Make sure to give it a mix after every 2 or 3 minutes or so. Okay, this is the situation after 20 minutes. I'm just gonna let this cook for another 2 minutes without the lid on. And in the meantime, I will remove all the spices, all the whole spices. So the cloves and the black peppercorns and the green cardamom. You don't really need to remove those, but I just don't really like that taste, so I'm gonna remove it anyways. If you don't mind that taste, feel free to keep those spices in here. I am fasting today, so I can't check if there is enough salt in here or if it's spicy enough. So I'll just have to guess. You just want to let this cool for, let's just say 10 minutes. And then we'll make a paste out of this. Okay, so I actually don't want to wait, so I'm just adding some ice cube to this to let it cool. Okay, so this mixture has cooled down and now it's time to make a paste out of this. So now you just have to strain your sauce, your gravy, just like this. This will take some time. So yeah, just keep doing this until you're left with the seeds and the skin of the tomato. Look at this, super smooth, velvety. This is exactly what we need. Okay, now it's time to finish our dish. Just add some oil in the same pan. Low heat. Now I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and I'm gonna add let's see, some cumin, let's say half a teaspoon, and some sugar, let's say two tablespoons. Once you start smelling the chili powder, add your gravy. So don't let this cook for too long. The consistency is a little bit too thick, so let's add some water. Just let this cook for 10 minutes. Okay, so this is what the gravy looks like after 10 minutes. It has thickened up a little too much, so I'm gonna add some water to this again. And now Like, it's not that thick, but after it has cooled down, it will thicken up even more. So that's why I'm just adding some water now. So now, low flame, add the paneer. I can't wait to eat this. Just let this simmer for, let's say, 2 minutes, and that's it. You're done. 2 to 3 minutes, and we're done. Wow. Now we just need one thing to do, that is kasuri methi. And we're done. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.